2025 Chevrolet Silverado 2500HD. This truck delivers style and convenience as well as performance. You'll enjoy first-class features that create a premium environment, such as side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, navigation, four-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, power outlet, keyless entry, auxiliary input, stability control, passenger side airbag sensor, limited slip differential. This is a top-rated dealer. The open road is calling. Drive it home today.